Alright guys, we're down here getting the culverts for this next project. Didn't know they were this big, the 36. I got a 15, that's what we usually use, and I got a 36. We got a little swamp to cross. Looks a little big for the truck, but we made it work. Had to put the old wheelbarrow in there. Alright guys, we're starting a new project, and just mobilized equipment here yesterday. And it's gonna go from here, right here, all the way on up, down through the valley, a little swamp. We gotta take some trees down right there. Then up on that hill over there, single family house. Should be a nice view. You got the Catskill Mountains in the background. Can't see them today with the cloud cover, but seems like it's gonna be a good setup. Got the machines running, let them warm up a bit. Culverts in the back. We got a 36 and a 15 for now. Barely fit in the truck. Usually we take a trailer, but didn't have it at the time. It's on a different job. There's a little swamp we got to go through. Hopefully it's not too much of a problem. All right, we'll check back. All right, we've got to put a culvert in here at the road. I got my man Miko laying out the driveway here, and we're gonna get it all boxed out, put all the dirt down by the swamp where the banks are gonna be big, because we got a 36-inch culvert down there to be putting in. So Alright guys, we're about an hour in. We got this boxed out a couple hundred feet. Then we'll touch it up with the dozer, roll the dirt down, and put some fabric down, then some gravel, roll that all in. It's going to be a straight gravel driveway for now, for an access road for all the concrete trucks, well truck. Then they'll probably top it off eventually with some crusher run, which is just crushed stone. Not sure yet what they're going to do with that, but we'll get it all smoothed out, make it a nice and nice. Wind is out, which is nice because it dries the soil, and it's probably, you know, 30 some degrees out. I think it's gonna get in the 40s today. As long as we don't get rain, I don't care. Rain is the worst. Well, I say rain's the worst. Snow's the worst. Up here in the Northeast, we can still get snow. We get a 2-footer right now. The right ingredients. It'll melt out fast the following day, but it's still annoying workaround. So we're still not in the clear for that department anyways. But we're supposed to get a couple showers over the weekend and maybe tomorrow. So we'll lay the fabric out anyways, pin it down with some spikes. If we're gonna get rain, that way the sub base doesn't get all mucky. Great topsoil though. Real good topsoil. It's been a field forever and maintained, brush hog. So can't beat this stuff. You put this through a processor, you won't believe what you got. All natural. Just the way God made it. You buy topsoil, they cut it with wood chips, they cut it with this, that. It's horrible. You get a couple rainstorms on it, it looks like mulch. It's so light. This is heavy, dense. No ingredients of Mother Nature's touch. Shale here too. That knob over there by the culvert's all shale, the whole top. I thought we were going to hit it here, but I'm not deep enough to hit it, so that's a good thing. And it will help the driveway. The only bad thing is when you got shale, rolling shale, where the knobs are in and out, and then 4 or 5 foot of topsoil, and then a shale knob, and the water collects in between and becomes mushy, and that becomes a mess real quick because all the water runs off the shale, gets in those pockets, and it just sits there. You can't get back out because there's other shale on the other side. So that's why you got to use fabric. You don't get into a sticky situation. Alright, we'll check back in over on the dozer. A stubborn stump. Teach that thing a lesson in a minute. So we only got, took about an hour and a half maybe. Got to the first phase of the driveway anyways, to the swamp, so we gonna go get some gravel in a bit. Gotta install that culvert up at the road. Gotta shoot some elevations to see where that's gonna go without doing too much earthwork around it. Check back in a bit. All right. At the end of day one, we got it boxed out to the swamp. We'll get a couple loads of gravel in here just so nobody drives off the road into a ditch. And we gotta put the culvert in down here, right here. Got it scratched out. It's real soft right here. It starts to firm up as we get up here. But mucky in the swamp, we had to just clean them tracks out. That's a workout if you never did it before. So we got this all boxed out, rolled in to the swamp, got the trees out, and it's mucky, I'll tell you. We're gonna have to get some big bony gravel. Here's the culvert pipe, the big boy. Hello. See the light at the end of the tunnel. Better hope not. So let's go check out what kind of water is coming in here now. It was still frozen earlier, but yeah, it looks quite wet. This ought to be fun. It's running though down through that center, right on out. So that's where we'll put the culvert, and then it's gonna go up there, slight angle up, right up. There's the house gonna sit right there. I believe the septic's gonna be over in there somewhere. But yeah, for day one, not bad. It's not even a full day.